Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, we have seen that there is a sharp rise, then there is a halt and made a high. Okay, and this is also high, 7-year high, and from there we have seen it has made another high. Okay, after that it has fall sharp. Why it has fall sharp? If you look at the pattern, we have seen whenever it made high it fall, made high it fall, and it made high. Now we can see it can move further upside, but okay, for the next 2 days what we can see that it is trying to make two yellow candles, so probability of getting high is a less. But if we look at a pattern wise, we can see yes, probability is high if it stays above a level of 72.5 something. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, and please watch the full video and link I have given in the description, you can join. So now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what we can see, this is a U pattern is forming, a cup pattern is forming here. So so what we can see, if the price stays above 72.10, okay, so what we can see, there is a probability it can go further upside and can touch a level of 72.34, and once it goes above 72.34, then we can see yes, it can go further upside to a level of 73.19, and once this level crossed, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 74.66, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 77.22. Once this level is crossed upside, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 78.56, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.17. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 80.27. so keep this in mind that if the price stays above 73, then we can see there can be a chances it can go further upside. Okay, suppose if the price, if it goes above 80, then you can check my previous video where I have explained where all it can go and what are the resistance can face. But if we look at the price from a perspective, it didn't sustain a level which is now trading at, so probability is very high it can go and touch a level of 70.63. so once 70.63 is touched, and if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 70.27, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 69.41, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 67.46. so keep this in mind, if the price goes below a level of 70.63, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 70.02, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 69.41. okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 67.46, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 66.36, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 65.76. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 64.90. okay, and once this level is crossed downside, then we can see yes, probability is high it can go and touch a level of 62.46 also. okay, so if it goes below a level of 62.46, if it goes touch a level of 64.46, then we can see yes, probability is high it can go further low and can touch a level of 61.61, and once this level is crossed, then we can see chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 60.39, and from there we can see it can go fall further and touch a level of 58 also. If it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level 57 also, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 53.93 also. so keep this in mind, if the price goes below a level of 62, we can see further low in the price of crude. Any doubt you can mail me. And one thing important that you have to understand here is that if not always trade, never trade with full capital. Whatever amount of capital you are trading with, suppose you have a capital of $10,000, you are trading with this. okay, so if your capital is this, then you should trade only with 10 to 15% per trade, and your risk should be from 0.5 to 1%. I'm again telling you, this is very important, because if it risks you this percent, then you can trade properly in the next day. okay, and always limit. Suppose the profit is 100%, you are earning today, and then once if it goes below around 70 or 75, then please exit the trade for the day and trade the next day, because if you are in a profit, exit in profit. Okay, or set a limit for loss also, so that if it suppose if you are trading with $1,000 per trade, so if it goes 100, then stop the trade for the day. Okay, or what your risk appetite, so that you can sleep properly and you can trade next day properly. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.